All right, welcome to the daily recap. Let's go over today. So basically what happened, I think it's pretty clear. It's not clear actually. So we took the internal range liquidity. We took these internal highs. Oh, wait, it's a recap. So let's just start top down. Most extreme area from this yellow range in the premium internal range liquidity taken. We're still bullish on these internal um structures. Bullish on the red one, bullish on the blue one, bullish on the light blue one. And today, actually yesterday, we just turned bearish on the green structure, as you can see over here. Very impulsive, but not on the back of news. So that's pretty interesting because usually this kind of movements happen during New York and it's because of the news. And usually when it happens because of the news, you might see taken out. So I'm gonna just monitor this, see what happens. Maybe we get taken out, maybe not. Or maybe it gets taken out, maybe not. But yeah, so high time frame structure wise, premium. And as I said, oh actually let's watch it from this time frame. We have this 50-minute fair order block. We have this overall unmitigated area that sit above these highs. So, and I said like, okay, this bearish break over here, this one that took this low, that's a fake out. We'll take these highs, and what happened? Price turns bullish, turns bearish, turns bullish again, and takes out these internal highs. And now we have our first sign of sellers stepping into the market. And that happened today. So what happened today? We took the previous weekly lows, we took previous daily lows, we took Asia lows. Then we took old news lows. So this was, as I said, like usually we see these news spikes during New York because that's when the major USD news takes place. So we had this news, it was on the 13th of December, and price takes it out, news, because it was off the back of news taken out, and then we got like a little inducement. So news low taken out, then a little inducement over here. Let's just show it. Wait, let me just mark this out for the story I want to tell. Come on. Perfect. So news low is taken out. Then we got a little inducement over here, inducing buyers into the market. If we go lower, we can see it over here. Ignore the trade for now. So what can we see? A little inducement over here, taking out this. I always forget that, like, I mean, on a huge screen, but people have like normal laptop screens. So we took out this high that led to this low. So a little inducement over here, respecting the extreme block of the bearish order flow structure, and then we turn lower, and we take the second low. So I've noticed this a lot where price takes out one low, induces up, and then it takes a second low. Same for buys, where we have so we got a high, we got a low, high, low. There you go. So we got a low, high, higher low, higher high. Then price takes out the first low, induces up, then takes out the second low, then comes up here, and then maybe something like this, and then takes out this high, induces lower, inducing sellers into the market, then takes out the second high, and then comes down, something like that. Mark was a better template kind of thing of it. So yeah, and that's what happened here. So we took the news lows, induced up, and then took the internal lows over here. These ones. And after that, we can talk about the trade. I will make a case study on the trade once the once the trade plays out. Sorry, let's see. Is that everything? Don't need that one. Don't need that one. Yeah. All right. So this trade, then what happens? We still have this bullish light blue structure over here. Let's zoom out. Let's make it a little bit more clear. What is this? Go away. This bullish light blue structure. Low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low. Building up liquidity to the downside, but not relevant yet. Why? Because we took internal. We have this low. We have this high. You can see over here. And we took news lows, we took internal lows, we took these lows, we took previous weekly lows, we took Asia lows, we took new lows, we took previous weekly low, previous daily low. So a lot of lows taken, a lot of like session or liquidity pools taken, if you want to call it like that. And then what happens? Price reacts from this 1 hour POI. If we go lower, and the POI sits in the deepest discount of this bullish light blue structure range. And currently it's still floating. Stops would be, I think it will be below here. Probably, yeah. And if anything, I would take it out at 1 to 10 though, which is, let's see, somewhere over here. Yeah. 1 to 10 right there. Oh, it just, so it comes down and then hits 1 to 10. Just misses the 50% of the range, which is 1 to 17. But yeah, so what happens? Our first inducement, after we took the news lows, then down, up, down, and then we have our first clear early buyers. This is like clear. Why is it clear? Because it's the minor structure. And the minors, I want to see something real quick. Nope. So it's like a minor break. And this was the overall lag on the 1 minute. And when we break bullish, we stay within this area. We didn't reach the premium yet, so therefore we can look for longs. Early sellers taken out. We can call this like a minor break, but it took out the early buyers, sorry, not sellers. So it's like a strong break. And then price reacts from this 2 minute POI order block. Shoots up. It's just before my trading time, but a clean trade nonetheless. And then you have an order flow trade over here if you use the fair value gap. So maybe, let's see, can you use the 50%? No, it just misses you. So no trade there. Only if you use the entire fair value gap, you have a long here. And after that, no trade entry presented itself. Then price broke bullish from here, 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 here. So maybe you can look for a confirmation-based entry over here. You get your early buys over here. Minor break structure over here and over here. Then taking this block, stop loss, low there. Sorry, let me draw it out. So this is your early buyers. You have your probably 5 minute or 50-minute POI. So you get your 5 minute fair value gap, 50-minute POI. There you go. I'm just marking out the trade. I don't know if it plays out though. So you get your 50-minute POI. Where's liquidity for this trade? Liquidity is to the upside. Why? We took out these internal lows. Like there's still liquidity to the downside, but I assume that this is one pool. This is like a strong PI as well because it disrupted these lows. It had the liquidity build up over here just before the PI, so long makes sense. because it's taken out. Maybe if we take out this high, internal high, or something over here at the highs, we can then see price come lower. Maybe take out these lows. We still got this one over here that sits just below all these lows. So pretty strong one as well. Doesn't do anything else. Let's see. I think there's like a minor chaining inside here. So, oh, that's cool. So there's disrupts this low that led to a new high and then continues up. So this is like a strong area. So that's all right. Okay. So talking about structure, we talk about the range, liquidity, and then let's go further into this, deeper into this trade. So we have our early buyers quite far away from the block, must say. But early buyers, another set of early buyers over here taking out this high, led to this low, very intricate. I have to stop doing these after eating because I have these after dinner dip. Okay, then we got, is this unmitigated? I think it is, just about. There you go. Well, yeah, it taps on but doesn't tap in. So there you go, you have your long. After breaking this high, you reduce or you go break even. But this one is still unmitigated, so you keep it, you keep your trade. 3.6, 4.1, 1 to 5 is over here. And that's without the breeding room, my bad. Oh no, you don't need breeding room though, because you do not want to be below this. If anything, you can either place it here or place it. There you go. Place it like that. 1, 2, 5. Still mitigated block over here, so nothing to reduce here after we break this high. Why enter from there? Because we got this internal high and this internal high. Oh, being come on, being taken out. And you can target. This is late though. I won't trade this time. Target up here, 1 to 13, or just target your early sellers or early buyers, 1 to 10, 1 to 9.6. I don't know. I just like this because if we turn bearish, we first take out the liquidity over here, like this. And then we have the block that sits just above. So yeah. All right, 1 to 5 hit. Here you go. Oh no, didn't hit yet. It's about to hit. I think it's gonna hit. Or it respects this POI. So yeah, recap wise, we had this long. Oh, oh. Where's the other one? It's about to hit. Daily recap wise, take out previous daily lows, previous weekly lows, Asia lows, some news lows, some internal lows, coming into the extreme of the light blue range. For now, we're still like pretty correctional. So gonna look for shorts up here and for buys on the way up, depending on what price gives me tomorrow. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, I will make a case study about the long after it played out. Let's see what happens.